He started out with his interest in music by learning through his father, and then he obtained formal musical training at the Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, and ultimately he joined Jagjit Singh and trained under him and joined the Jagjit Singh Gharana. In 2000, in fact, Jagjit Singh introduced Jaswinder Ji in his album Aage Aage Dekhiye. Since then, Jaswinder Ji has performed across the world on notorious platforms with a huge fan following. And we, as his fans, are here tonight to show him that New York has so many fans for him as well. Is that correct? But I would also like to add that when Jagjit Singh Ji used to sing with his wife, Chitra Ji, people used to say कि वाह, ये तो सोने पे सुहागा हो गया है. So we have actually been yearning to hear the voice of Chitra Singh for many years. We have the old albums that we still listen to and still reminisce, but we haven't had the opportunity to hear her voice. But ladies and gentlemen, tonight I will be presenting to you a very beautiful young singer who will bring us back the memories of those duets sung by the lovely couple Jagjit and Chitra Singh. This singer, I'm sure you all know who she is. She was raised in Hyderabad, recently moved to Michigan. She has notoriously won the hearts of many across the world through her competition in Saregama. She was the champion in 2008. And since then, she has captured the hearts of audiences across the world. And tonight, she will be joining us on the stage to capture the hearts of all of you and all of us. So without much further ado, I would like to introduce Ms. Darshana Menon. While they're getting set up, I would like to thank our sponsors.
जब दूर चला जाऊंगा याद रखना कि तुम्हें याद बहुत आऊंगा मिलकर जुदा मिलकर जुदा हुए तो न सोया करेंगे हम मिलकर जुदा हुए रोया करेंगे हम न सोया करेंगे हम मिलकर जुदा हुए तो न सोया करेंगे हम एक दूसरे की याद में रोया जुदा हुए पलक पलक मोती पलक पलक में पिरोया करेंगे हम, एक दूसरे की याद में रोया करेंगे हम, मिलकर जुदा हुए।
क्या बात है?
दूसरे की याद में रोया करेंगे हम, मिलकर जुदा हुए तो न सोया करेंगे हम, मिलकर जुदा हुए तो न सोया करेंगे हम, एक दूसरे की याद रोया करेंगे हम, मिलकर जुदा हुए तो। हमें तूफान भी कभी कश्तियों डुबोया करेंगे हम, दूसरे की याद में रोया करेंगे हम, मिलकर जुदा हुए न सोया करेंगे हम, एक दूसरे की याद में रोया करेंगे हम, मिलकर जुदा हुए।